this video, I will talk about how to become a statutory or external auditor. So, in my previous video, I have given an example that how to become, what is the role of internal audit, how to become an internal auditor, and in today's video, our main topic is how to become an external or statutory auditor. To become an auditor, first of all, there are regulatory requirements which you have to take into account. For example, you need to be a chartered certified accountant, or there are different names, but in essence you have to see what qualification for the same purpose is being mandated within your country. For example, in some Asian countries, chartered accountants are the statutory auditors. In some companies, CPAs, we call it certified public accountants, are the statutory auditors. In a few countries, you will also find chartered certified accountants are statutory auditors. So you have to know, first of all, that what are the regulations and what qualification is being mandated within your country. This is one thing. So basically you need a chartered or a public regulated accounting degree, and it's more like a license. So you, in the same way the lawyers cannot practice without a license, the same analogy apply to auditors, that they have to have a CPA or ACCA or CA degree in order to become a statutory auditor. This is one thing in terms of qualification. The second thing is you need to have a mandatory 3 to 4 years, in some countries, experience in the field, and you work there as a trainee for 3 to 4 years, and then you become the member of that institution with which you are registered. For example, if you in your country the statutory auditors are the CAs or the CPAs or the ACCAs, so you have to pass those degrees. Along with that, you need to have a practical experience, and once you meet all this criteria, they grant you membership. Once you have the membership, then you can open your firm, or you can associate yourself with some other accounting firm, and you can work in the capacity of a statutory auditor. Statutory auditors are being appointed by the company to audit their financial books and give their opinions whether these books are reflecting true and fair view, which means that there are no major errors, there are no frauds, there are no process weaknesses, because the investors who have invested in that company, they have the right to get the right information against the investment which they have made. And also the government entities, they also need, because if the company has borrowed loan, the bank would need that their financial numbers which the company is giving is true and accurate. And sometimes the regulatory bodies also, they need the financial data of the company to be accurate, because of the taxes and other reasons. So this is the basic overview, and with this I hope now you have a better understanding that what are the qualifications there is need to become a statutory auditor, and secondly the skill sets which you need. And when you are in your training, one more point I would just add: when you are in your training, you are being appointed to different companies and in different sectors, so you keep on auditing those companies, and by this you learn during your training. And once you learn, then you can work as a full-time statutory auditor. Either you open your own practice or you work with someone else, but the same work remains. And whoever is the partner, they just sign the report, and they give their, and they take the responsibility in terms of giving their opinion on the financial data of the company. So with this I will conclude, and thank you for watching, and hope to see you in the next video.